Hello from Slovenia again. I will do another funnel pour today, and I have some paints that are left and I will just use them. I have some gold, quinacridone nickel azo gold, some RG by these little piggy pigments, black and turquoise, phthalo turquoise. And of course I have my pearl white, and I want to add quite a lot of pearl white in there and just a little bit of color, so I don't know how this will work, but we will see. A lot of white as I expected. I'm kind of interested how this will stretch out. And I have some scrape off paint here that I will pour around. See, it's kind of gray. But I expect this to tilt off anyway. Okay. Just using paint that, you know, you don't waste. That scrape offs, dips, drips, whatever stays on your surface after your pours. I think that I need a little more here, because the middle is important, of course. And now I will spin this out. will just go a little more to this side. I really don't want to tilt it, but don't want to lose all those beautiful stuff. I think that for this technique is round canvas is better than square one. I have to take care of my sides too because it's a deep edged canvas, so we'll just add a little more paint here where I want this to flow off. Beautiful, but still I would love to have something a little different here in the middle. I don't know. I'm kind of tempted to do a balloon dip, but not sure. What if I ruin it? But if we don't try, we don't know. Let's try to do that. I will grab a balloon. I love fluid art because, you know, you can always combine techniques. Maybe some of you will be angry at me right now, but this is the part that just not I don't know. I love those ripples around and I want to dip here for a flower. I will do that. Yeah, I think that I like this more. definitely. I could go a little bigger too, maybe, but I don't want to ruin it right now because it's okay. Don't, I will try not to, what is the word, challenge the faith or whatever. So here she is now. I think that it's much better now with this flower instead of that part that was there before. I love how 3D those lines, ripples look. They're gorgeous. And because of this little piggy algae, I see it here definitely. It will be really nice shimmer, and of course from pearl white. So can't wait to see it dry. Interesting one. So here is the dried result. Not sure. I'm glad that I dipped the middle, but not quite sure about this painting. So as you can see that it's just, I don't know, this one looks more like a ripple pour that Olga did years back. It's very different result from the previous one with the funnel, but kind of interesting. I hope that you will have nice holiday weekend, all of you in States. Thank you for, I'm really thankful for all your support through all these years. Love you all. Have a nice weekend. See you again on Monday. Bye.